Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano pa nakuha yung area ng circle. Alam natin that the formula for finding the area of a circle is A equals pi r squared. Now ngayon, paano nakuha tong formula na to, no? By the way, yung A dito is the area of the circle, of course. Area of the circle. Yung pi is the number which is approximately equal to 3.14. At yung r natin is yung radius ng circle natin. No? Now, before we derive the formula, recall natin that the area of a parallelogram is equal to base times height. No? Nilagyan ko na ng sub p kasi pareho silang area, no? Para malaman natin that this one is the area of a circle. Now, bakit kailangan tong base times height or yung area ng parallelogram? The idea is to transform the circle, no, into a parallelogram. No? Paano natin gagawin yan? So, drawing muna tayo ng circle. Pwede tayo mag-draw ng diameter. Okay, pwede tayo mag-draw ng diameters. Hindi maganda yung ating drawing. Pantay, no? So, from here, and then, of course, we can draw two more. So, yung mga diameters na to, i-assume natin that these diameters divide the circle to 8 equal parts. No? And, ang gagawin natin is, paghihiwa-hiwalay natin itong mga parts ng circle na ito, and then we form a shape which is close to a parallelogram. So, paano natin yung gagawin? So, ito mga ito. So, ito, kumari, maging ganito siya. Tapos yung ito, lalagay ko naman, nandito naman yung maliit na part sa taas. And so on and so forth, no? So, pagkatapos natin yan, yung walong yan, ganito yung maging itsura niya, no? So, this is the eighth part. So, kung gagawin natin straight line to, mukha siyang parallelogram, no? Mukha lang parallelogram. Okay, so ngayon, tingnan natin yung dimensions ng parallelogram natin. First, we know that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. No? Ito yung formula ng circumference of a circle. Ang circumference ng circle, yun yung distance na tina-travel mo. No? Ikot, no? Yung isang ikot. So, ibig sabihin, yung circumference ng circle na yan, ito yung mga nandito, no? Ito yung nasa outside part nitong, nasa base ng parallelogram natin. No? Now, notice that if we, for example, tong part na to, kunwari ay ito. No? Tapos, tong part naman na to, for example, this part, is this part. Tapos, itong part na to ay itong part na to dito. At yung part na to, yung part na to is this part. So, kung mapapansin nyo, itong part na to dito ay kalahati siya ng circle, no? Kalahati siya ng circumference, no? Also, this part, pareho lang naman itong dalawa to, apat din siya, di ba? So, kung kalahati ito, kalahati siya nito. So, if that's 2 pi r, half of 2 pi r, this is pi r, no? Also, ito yung base natin, yung pi r. Paano naman yung ating height? So, yung height is the distance from here up to here. O kaya here up to here, no? So, alam natin that if we take this as the center of the circle, for example, yung distance from here to any points here ay pareho lang because that's the radius of the circle, di ba? So, therefore, our height is r. And since the formula for finding the area of a parallelogram is base times height, then we have area is equal to pi r, which is our base, no? And r, which is our height. This is our base, this is our height. So therefore, area equals pi r squared. Doon ang galing itong formula na ito. Nasasabihin nyo sa akin, hindi naman to parallelogram, no? Well, tignan natin tong animation natin dito. Oh, sorry, hindi ko nabalik. Pag ginawa natin tong circle, kanina ilang hati lang yun? 8, di ba? Ito yung kanina, yung nasa drawing natin. Now, if you break this into parts, and so ito siya, no? However, pag in-increase natin, no, yung number of parts, for example, ano na nangyari? Look what happens. No? Mukha na siyang parallelogram. And as we increase, no? As we increase in as many ways as you can, in fact, mukha na nga siyang rectangle. No? So, if we do this, or if we increase the number of parts into infinitely many parts, then, or into infinitely many divisions, then mukha na siyang rectangle, no? And whether it's a rectangle or a parallelogram, pareho yung formula. By sabi natin yung pinaka-base niya, which is pi r or r pi, and then the height, which is r. Kaya nakuha yung formula natin dito na pi r squared, no? So ito dito nang galing yung formula. No, hindi talaga ito yung pinaka-derivation, ito lang yung geometric explanation, no? Ang derivation nito ay higher math na, nasa calculus na, no? But at least you have an idea kung bakit ganun yung formula natin. Okay, let's have one example. Paano pag yung r natin ay excuse me, pag yung r natin ay 3, for example. So, we compute for the area of a circle with r equals 3. No? So, area is equal to pi r squared. So, area is equal to pi. Ilet na lang natin yung pi sa 3.14 times r squared, which is 3 squared, which is equal to 3.14 times 9, which is equal to, ilan yan? 3.14 times 9, this is 36 carry 3. So this is 12 carry 1, so 28.26 square units. So approximately 28.26 square units, no? Yung pinaka-area natin. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko kayong invite sa ziplayan.com, no? Ang dami na nating videos dyan. Pwede kayo manood dyan. At mag-aaral ng mathematics. And of course, kung kayo ay nanonood sa YouTube, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Now, i-share niyo sa mga kaibigan niyo ito, no? Para matuto din sila ng mathematics. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.